Hello, my name is Henry Dorn and welcome to Eppendorf's Thumbaround tutorial. As the name says, the Thumbaround is a trick where the combi tip moves around the thumb, like this. The Thumbaround is one of the basic tricks and also one of the most easiest tricks, so let's get started. Hold the combi tip with your index finger, thumb and middle finger. Make sure that the thumb is placed in between of your middle and index finger. There are two important rules which we have to keep in mind. First, place your wrist and hand parallel to the ground. And second, do not move your thumb at all at any time. If you take a close look, I do not move my thumb during the whole process. Now we can start to push the combi tip around our thumb. To be able to do so, we have to move the middle finger as close to the thumb as possible. And we have to release the combi tip with our index finger. So push the combi tip with your middle finger and catch the combi tip with your index finger and thumb. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial.